What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day while camping. Everything I eat today is either going to be vegetarian or vegan. I'm going to start with a super simple breakfast so I can get out on the trail. I'm going to have some chocolate granola with oat milk and fresh strawberries. So I've made it to where I'm going to go paddleboarding, but before I do that, I'm going to have a snack. I'm going to have a banana and a chocolate chip breakfast cookie from the Plant U cookbook. So I've paddled as close as I can get to the waterfall. I'm gonna walk the rest of the way, it's not that far. But I have a bottle of Scratch Hydration, this is the peach flavor, and then I have a packet of Untapped Maple, the chocolate syrup. So paddling took a bit longer than expected, so I'm having kind of a late lunch. I'm doing like a DIY bistro box thing, which today happens to be things that can be dipped in peanut butter and pistachios. So I have an apple, carrots, strawberries, pistachios, peanut butter, and then I have the peach mango V8. It also happens to be the only thing that's still cold to drink in my car. So for dinner tonight, I'm actually gonna try something I've never had before. I got this curry. It's like a free thing. I spent X amount of dollars, so I got a free thing, and this is what I got for free. I've never actually had curry like as a whole before, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not. I have some like backup options if I don't like it. But yeah, interested to try this. And we'll check back on that in 8 to 12 minutes. It's a little spicy, which I kind of expected it to be. and I'm not a fan of how, like, that it's spicy. I don't really like hot food. But other than that, it's good. They're still really hot. By the time I had dessert, it was too dark to record. I was going to make s'mores with chocolate chip cookies instead of graham crackers, but I accidentally smushed my cookies in my food box. So instead, I had a chocolate bar and snacked on some more pistachios. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this type of video and would like to see more of it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.